All right, folks, so I wanted to take a second here to go over the different kinds of green dots that we have on the indicator. The green dots are going to be our buy signals, our entry signals. We are looking to buy the day of the green dot down here. This is where we want to enter, right? Okay, the entry here, okay, entry here. Okay, we're entering on the green dot. So there's 3 different kinds of dots that you can set alerts for on the indicator. So once you guys get the indicator, you guys are actually able to set these up for yourself. So if you come down here to the indicator and hit and right click and then hit add alert, okay, what you want to do is you want to come up here and you can select different kinds of dots. So you can see the first one up here is a big green circle. Okay, the next one says big green circle with divergence. We're not going to worry about that one. This one here is the golden dot. Okay, the golden dot is the most bullish indication that you guys can get on this trading indicator. Okay, the last one that I can remember that came was on the crypto of H-bar, and there were a few of them back in November on crypto. But you could see H-bar right here. That is what a golden dot looks like. And you can see the one here on H-bar came at, that was around November 5th. The price was again 4 cents here. That was called out here on the channel. 4 cents, it went all the way up to 40 cents for a 10x trade. So the golden dot is the most bullish indication. You just don't get them very often. They're literally like a once in every couple year occurrence on a lot of the names. But that is the most bullish indication that you can get from the indicator. So if you wanted to set that alert, all you got to do is right click here, come down here, select golden dot, the big golden dot here. You select that. I like to do once per bar. That way I only have to set the alert once. I never have to reset it. And I do open-ended alerts. Open-ended alerts is a feature here in TradingView that I believe you have to pay for. It just makes my life a lot easier just because I don't have to set up alerts for every single thing, right, over and over and over again. This allows you to set it once and then forever you will be reminded and told, right, when that golden dot prints. So that's the golden dot. You had the big green dot, of course, that's the big green circle, and then there's the small green dot. So the difference between the big green dot and the small green dot is simply the depth of the wave. So when I talk about the wave, it's the blue wave. So when this blue wave is way up here, this is typically when price is very expensive, okay? This is when price has ran really, really hard. I mean, right here from 4 cents all the way up to 17 cents, right? That's about a 350% move, okay? When the wave is down here, we want to be buying because this is when people are fearful, right? People have been flushed out. The deeper the wave, the better. So the green dots down here have a shaded area. You can see that shaded area on this one right here that came in September. Okay, and I'm still looking at a chart of H-bar here. But the shaded area tells you that that's a big green dot. Okay, the big green dot has the shaded area. These green dots right here that don't have the shaded area, those are the small green dots. Okay, every green dot is bullish. There are just 3 different kinds of them that we pay attention to here. So it goes in an order of this, guys. The most bullish indication is going to be the golden dot. Okay, that is your number one, right? Bet the farm, okay, take a mortgage out, whatever. That is the most bullish indication. Okay, the next bullish indication, right, number 2 is going to be the big green circle, and then the third is going to be the small green circle. So what I do is I set up alerts on all of my watch lists. Okay, I have about 200 stocks and cryptocurrencies that I follow. Okay, and I set all 3 of them up on my indicator. And if you're a member over here inside the Discord, under the alerts tab, you actually get those indications. Okay, so you get every big green dot and every small green dot. Okay, every big green dot and every small green dot and every golden dot that is called out over here on the Discord for the daily chart. And then with the monthly chart, okay, and then the monthly chart, right, the small green dots are the one we use on the monthly. But on the daily, you want to use all 3. Okay, you want all 3 of them to be called out. And you can see this small green dot down here on Bitcoin. You can see when the wave was way down here back in 2023. Okay, that was a small green dot. It wasn't a big one, because we only use the small ones on the monthly, and then we use the big, the gold, and the small on the daily. Okay, so 17,000 is where that was called out there on Bitcoin back in 2023. Obviously, it's up here at 106 now. So that is the overview of the 3 different kinds of alerts. Again, if you guys are a member of the Discord, you will get all the small, big, and golden dots on the daily and the small dots on the monthly called out for you over here. If you want to go ahead and set up your own alerts, maybe your name isn't on my watch list, but you want to set it up for yourself, I have a great video over here inside my trading course, how to set up your trading indicator, or I'm sorry, how to set up alerts on your trading indicator. That will walk you through the process. I kind of already did it in this video. You just have to right click, hit add alert. I use once per bar, open-ended, and then I just go through and I set up all 3 of them for all of my names that I want to own. So I will be called out. So those will be called out for me. They email them to you. They notify you in the app. Like I can go over here to my desktop. You see it says 99 plus alerts. Okay, it actually shows me the day of. If you come up here and you just click this, sort by time triggered, okay, this will show my newest ones. So you could see here, Uber went off today, LCX went off today, DKNG went off today, okay, A-Firm went off today. So not every dot is a buy signal, but right, like I said before, we want to buy down here when the blue wave is down here on the daily, giving you the green dots, okay, and not way up here, right? You don't want to be buying these green dots up here. Like I said, it goes from bullish to least bullish. Again, they're all bullish, but if you were to rank them, it would go gold, big green circle, then the small green circle. Again, I recommend setting up alerts for all of them on your names. Again, if you want to follow along with my watch list and the watch list we're posting over there inside the Discord, I got around 200 names, okay, that I've been following for a very long time. Quality names here. Okay, those alerts are called out over here in the alerts tab for the members of the Discord here in the alerts section. Looks like we got 2 going off today, 2 big ones going off today, AERO and ICP. So if you guys have questions about this, hopefully that clarifies that. Again, it goes gold. Okay, gold dot is the most bullish. Big green circle next, then the small green circle. And then with the sell signals, you want to watch for the small red dots and the big red dots. Those are going to be your 2 sell signals you want to watch for. So that explains it. Okay, again, the difference between the small and the big is just the big ones have this shaded area down here. That just means the wave is very, very overextended to the downside. And again, people are fearful down here and they're greedy up here. So hope this helps. Hope you guys got some value. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one.